your teeth. Or, as I like to call them, your luxury bones. Evolution decided to give you exactly 2 sets of teeth. And where are these irreplaceable bones stored? Inside a dark, wet, bacteria-filled cavern that you constantly shove sugar into.
Welcome to a new series. Today, we are looking at how incredibly high maintenance your bodies are. Let's start with your mouth.
Specifically, your teeth. Or, as I like to call them, your luxury bones. For an organism that can live up to 80 years, evolution decided to give you exactly 2 sets of teeth. And where are these irreplaceable bones stored? Inside a dark, wet, bacteria-filled cavern that you constantly shove sugar into.
Because of this, you have to manually scrub your exposed skeleton with a specialized paste twice a day.
Because if you miss a spot, your bones will literally rot out of your face while you are still using them.
Compare yourselves to a shark. A shark can go through 30,000 teeth in its lifetime. A tooth falls out, boom, a new one rolls into place. Humans get 32, and your jaws are so badly designed that the last 4 don't even fit. They just smash into the others and have to be surgically removed. Oh, and let's not forget the engineering masterpiece of putting a highly sensitive nerve right in the middle of your chewing tool. Eat something slightly too cold, and your nervous system punishes you with blinding agony. You don't even own your teeth. You are basically renting them, paying endless subscription fees to dentists just to keep them in your head.
So remember, squishy apes, go floss your luxury bones tonight, or nature will repossess them.
Hit subscribe and join us for Part 2, where we discuss the absolute comedy of combination skin and why your face requires more chemical serums than a science experiment. Don't forget to subscribe. Seriously, you have to maintain your channel subscriptions just like your molars. Class dismissed. Go buy more toothpaste.